Hi, in this video let me show you how to connect a USB drive to be able to watch movies, your pictures, also listen to music on your FPD television. So let's get started. It's important to know that not all USB drives will be compatible. I suggest you have one that is formatted in FAT32 or exFAT. If you have an USB drive formatted in any other format, there's a good chance that the TV will not be able to recognize your files. So mine is already in FAT32, and I'll go ahead and connect it in one of the USB ports on the back. It doesn't matter if you choose the one over here or the second one. Just go ahead and connect your drive the same way you're doing it on your computer or other devices. Here we go. Take your remote control and you're going to have a button that says USB. It's really nice to have a shortcut. So once I press this USB button, I'll be presented with the different options. So do I want to access videos that are on my drive, photos, or music? I'll select videos. I'll press OK. And here I'll have all the folders that are on my USB drive. I simply have to select the one where my videos are. So, okay, I don't have anything here. Let me just find one with some videos. Okay, I just noticed that I didn't have any videos on my USB drive, so I have pressed the USB button again and I will select photo. And here for sure I have a picture. Here we go. One of the picture was there. I'll press OK. And it will open up the picture. If this was a video, it would have played a video. So this is how you access your USB drive on your FPD television. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, comment down below, and I will see you in the next video.